Okay, so we have our shop panel here. Go to UI panel. This inventory panel. There. New grid. Then vectors. Scene. Name this inventory slot. Panel. And new script. Okay. Set the minimum rect into 32. Change the style. Let's try that. Okay. Go back to UI. Read container. Set this to 3. Instantiate the inventory slot. Duplicate about 9 times. Okay. Yeah, go back to inventory slot. Actually go back to shop slot. Copy this here. Oh. Copy and then paste that here. Okay. Now go back to shop slot. Node signals. GUI input. Okay. Now if event is input mouse button and event is pressed and event is button index pause button mouse left. Okay, now add a new signal here. So selected. Okay, now emit that slot selected. Okay, and add 2 new functions called selected and not that deselect. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Now go back to slot. Add new texture rect. Move this back. I actually have a back. This will indicate if we selected this slot. So if we select selected, oh no, not yet. Okay, selected, back, we show deselect, back would be hidden. Okay, now go back to UI. UI script shop slots. So for slot in shop slots, select connect signal called slot selected that we have created here. Okay, now connect the cell and then out. Okay. Yeah, I actually have the function shops selected node. Not selected node. Okay, that's set up here. Should try that out. Yep. Okay. Yeah. So self, pass in the slot itself, which is the self. Passes the reference to the slot itself into here, so that we can actually run the selected method on the specific slot that we have clicked on. Okay, now let's try that again. Yeah. Yeah, it's working. Close that first. Then now I'm going to go globals, then script, call this shop manager. Okay. This will be a singleton. Okay, this will handle all the shop transactions called buy. And something called sell. Okay. Now inside this global variable, we're going to have a current selected item, which will be an item resource. So every time we click a shop slot, we're actually going to pass in the slot resource that are stored here to our singleton here. Okay, so to project first, scripts, globals, add in the shop manager, add. Okay, now in shop slot, after we emit the signal, I'm going to call the shop manager and current selected item equals item inside the item resource that are stored in the shop slot. Okay, now this has the value. Okay, to go back to the UI, pop up the shop. We're going to actually add a new button here called buy. That here. Yeah, cool. Buy to node, rest, then calling the shop manager and the buy function. So that will call the shop manager buy. Inside here, yeah, actually we're going to create a variable in our global player global, which is the player inventory items, which will be an array. This will be an array of resource. This will store 9 null values because we have a 9 inventory slots, so 369. Okay, go back to player global. So we have 5 now. So 2, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, now let's go back to shop manager, then buy, then going to peer for slot and player global, player inventory items, and if slot is equal to null, then no, let's make it size -1 I, and let's type in if player global items I, is equal to null. Then layer global items, layer inventory item is equal to unselected item. Okay. That. Okay, and then going to break the loop here, and then it's actually global player gold minus equals the price of our current selected item price. Okay, now we're going to break yeah, now we're going to go back to UI, then I'm going to add a new function here called update inventory. Now to have already var inventory slots inventory container go children. Okay, now go back to update inventory. Now say for slot in slots, so slot the display item display item, and then pass in the player global player inventory items I. Okay, equals 1 and 0. So yeah, then go back to inventory slot. Then we're just going to add a new if statement here. If US is not equal to null, then change the texture, then put the item that is being passed in into the inventory slot itself, and then if else, I'm just going to reset the texture equals null. Okay, yeah, I guess that's it. So let's try it out. Bye. Oh, okay. Go to UI, new button. This will be inventory. Okay. To node, press, leave inventory panel, visible, not visible, panel, inventory panel, show, else, inventory panel, hide. Okay. So yeah, let's go back. Okay, let's buy this sword. Click buy, then go up to inventory. Oh, okay. So we did not. Okay. It's actually the first. Name Oh yeah, that's because we didn't update shop manager or yeah, shop manager. So we need to get tree, then call group, then the UI group, which is the group assigned to the UI node. Here you can actually see here this group UI group, and call the update inventory function UI node. Yeah, okay. By the sword. Oh, yeah. Didn't add in texture right. Wow. Um, yeah. You can comment that out now. Let's see. Yep, you can see the sword now. Then if you go back and buy the hat, going to inventory, you can see the hat. Okay.